Welcome back, friends. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Amy. I am a Canva coach and a Canva community certified trainer. Today, we're going to explore a new Canva feature. It is called Magic Layers, and oh my, it is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go over to my uploads and I'm going to place this photo on my workspace, and I'll just make it the size of my workspace like this. And with that image selected, I'm going to go to edit, and here it is right here. It is part of Magic Studio. It's called Magic Layers, and it is a Canva Pro feature or option. And if you don't have Canva Pro, you want to try Canva Pro, I do have an affiliate link that will give you 30 days of Canva Pro free to use so that you can try out all these wonderful features. Now, I am an affiliate of Canva, so if you do choose to purchase Canva using that link, I will get some of the proceeds from that sale at no additional cost to you. So we're going to take that image and we're going to select Magic Layers and see what it does. Now, supposedly, what it will do is it will separate all of the layers of this photo, separating out all of the elements so that you can go in, make some changes, take things out. And this appears to work a little better than Magic Grab, Magic Eraser, or some of the other Magic Studio options. So it does take a couple of seconds for it to separate all of those items out into layers, but once it's done, we can just click, go to position, go to layers, and we're going to see all of the items separated out. And this is like truly amazing because if you don't want to use these, maybe you want to duplicate them and just put them elsewhere on your workspace. Maybe you don't want the background, you want to get rid of that background and put some other kind of a background, like maybe some clouds in the back like this. Let's set that as our background. So that's what that would look like there. So that is what Magic Layers does. I'm just going to set everything back. And let's go back to position layers just so that we can appreciate how Canva has separated all of these things out. This is going to come in handy if you've got Adobe files with designs on it and you're used to those layers being separated. This is probably going to do that, although I haven't actually tested that out. And if you do use an Adobe file to separate all the layers, let me know how it works down in the comments. What do you think of this option? I mean, it even separated the text, so we can go in there and change the text and update the design. So let me know what you think of this new update. Is it something that you are going to use? Let me know in the comments. If you use this feature on any other types of files, JPEG, PNGs, Adobe, PDF files, let me know how it worked out by leaving a comment down below. Now, if you learned anything in this video, press the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on, because that's the only way that you are going to know when new tutorials come out. All right, guys, for now, I'm going to say bye-bye. Until next time.